time user onboarding to the Inheritance app, after you've created your account with your email and a password, this is the first page you will see upon signing in. So on this dashboard, which is also the home page, you can see a list of tasks for you to complete. So you can write your request, pass down memories, add track member, complete your profile, discover your core values by taking a personality test, or you can discover your wealth personality. So for starters, we can start with creating or completing our profile first. You can either choose from the task over here or click on the right icon on the top. So let's start with adding your profile picture first. Simply just click on the add profile picture, go to your gallery and choose a profile picture. Just click save. And there you go. Your profile picture is done. So next, you want to edit your display name, your date of birth, location, phone number, gender, and your personal details. So let's create a name for this account. Shall send date of birth. Singapore, gender female. And at this portion is key. You can choose to either fill it in now or later, but we do suggest you to fill it in so that it helps with automating the data when you are doing your smart bill or smart request. So I'm going to fill it up now. After you checked that you have keyed in the correct details, simply just press Save Changes and your profile details are done. So we go back to the home page. Once you're done, the task that's on the dashboard or your home page will disappear. So next up, we can actually do our wealth personality test. So over here, you select what is most important to you. By ranking it in the order of importance. And you're done. The test result will show what kind of wealth personality you have. You can read it to understand yourself a bit better. Following that, you can also take your core values test. So you first choose 10 values of the list over here that you think that is most important for you and your beneficiaries to have. Simply just tap on the boxes, on the checkbox. Then from the 10 values that you've chosen, we'll ask you to further streamline what else you think is more important. So when you're done, you can go to your profile. Over here, there's a tab that says test results. So over here, they will reflect your personality test, your wealth personality test, as well as your values test. This portion will help you in your later part when you do your smart wheel. They will do a smart appoint or smart suggest to people in your tribe if they are suitable to be taken up, if they are suitable to take up certain roles like guardians or executors, or maybe even financial advisors. So you can also retake the test if you think that this is not suitable for you, or maybe sometime along the line you feel that your wealth personality has changed or your values has changed over time. So back to the homepage, we also have a hamburger menu over here, whereby you can navigate to the different functions of the app. There's also a feedback button for you if you find that you would like to give any feedbacks on the app, any testimonials, or you may have found any glitches that you may like to report. Simply just click on the feedback and you'll be directed to a URL, a Google Form URL. You can also navigate to the different functions at the bottom, namely Tribe, Memories, and Smart Wheel. So that's all for first-time users onboarding.